In this video, I'll show you how you can install Rust into your environment. For installation, we'll use this command which you can easily find on the Rust official website. This will download the installer and install the Rust into your operating system. Here we have three options. One, we can proceed with the standard installation, second for the customized installation, and third to the cancel. For this video we'll use the standard installation, and since I have already installed the Rust into my operating system, this didn't took much time. Now we will add the Rust into our environment path. For that we will use this command where we will add the bin folder of the Rust into our path. This will successfully add Rust into your path variable.